question they are saying what is the nature of distance time graph for uniform and non-uniform motion. So let's see, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का मतलब होता है that particular object will cover equal distance in equal interval of time. So what is uniform motion? Uniform motion is basically nothing but it will cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal interval of time. So as you can see, so yes, as you can see, a graph is given. So it is nothing but the distance time graph. And distance time graph आपको क्या provide करेगा? Motion provide करेगा. And you can see this, आपको जो graph मिला है इधर, वो basically क्या represent कर रहा है? It's showing a slope something like this. So whenever you will be finding a slopes, like straight slope, so in such condition you can say it is basically in an uniform motion. So you can state in such a manner uniform motion यानी कि जो distance time graph है वो straight line होगा. It is for every uniform motion जो आपका distance time graph होगा वो straight line होगा. Second one, they are asking non-uniform motion. So as you can see, this is a non-uniform motion, and I hope now you know what is non-uniform motion. It is unequal distance, it's not covering equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, so yeah, not covering equal distance in equal interval of time. ठीक है, in equal interval of time. So as you can see the graph is not a straight line, it goes in depends condition by condition. It could be curve also, as you can see ये कुछ इस तरह से भी हो सकता है. Okay, so yeah, this is a non-uniform motion. So basically you can mention non-uniform motion, the distance time graph is a curve. ठीक है, इसके केस में क्या होगा, ये curve होगा. I hope you understand this. Thank you.